Gonna give you some quick tips about staying in winners longer, just like this open trade that we have. We've got some runners on this. I like to take runners. I don't like to go full in, full out. But a lot of traders, right, they panic once they start seeing rotations, right? They'll see markets move in their direction, then they start rotating. Maybe there's some kind of significant pullback, and they start panicking time trying to take trades out. So instead of doing something like that, my rules of thumb for actually staying into winners for a longer extended period of time is giving them breathing room and having a concrete exit plan. Because if you don't have a concrete exit plan, then you're going to panic based on market movement. Understand where your main targets are, how you're going to trail, and then you just let the market do what it wants to do. So, what I do is I have a general first target. The first target is based on like a 2-to-1 RR, a 3-to-1 RR, and where there is order flow and price action, resistance or support to target for the next area. So once I have that, I take a decent chunk of the position off, and the rest of it goes to break even -5 to +1, right in that range. And then at that point, right, I have targets based on auction market theory on prior resistance support as to where I want to exit the rest of the position, leaving the remainder of these stops at break even. So what I'm effectively doing is I have trust in the analysis so that, my expectations are as such based on order flow, based on auction market theory, and just let the trade play out. I think too many people fiddle with their trades and they end up making the wrong decision time and time again, realistically. So they see rotations, they see prices moving maybe for them and then a bit against them. They're like, oh, okay, I just want to save whatever profits I might have instead of it taking me out. Let me just close this. The next thing you know, just running in your direction like 2, 3, 400 points on the S&P 50, 60 points. Instead of doing that, understand what your exit rules are. You have to have stern rules for your exit, and then whatever you do, just let the trade breathe. I'm not one to over manage trades and trying to dictate, oh, okay, there's sellers, there's buyers, there's sellers, there's buyers. Let me just scratch, let me just get out. Entry criteria, exit criteria, let the trade breathe, and you'll see that you'll have more runners than you'd think. So if you want to learn more about my rules and how we have entry and exit criteria, check out community.tradeproacademy.com.